How to fix cannot get mail, the connection to server failed. So if you're getting this error message on your iPhone, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to solve this. Now first, just go and load up the settings on your phone. Now scroll down and click on General, scroll down to VPN and Device Management. And if you're currently connected to a VPN, you'll need to go and disconnect from this now. You can then head back over to the main settings page and scroll down to the bottom and click on apps. Now scroll down until you see mail and click this and select mail accounts. Now select the email account that you're having issues with, click on account settings and click on SMTP. Now press SMTP server. You can then try turning off the server. Now wait around 10 seconds and then try turning the server back on. Now if it's still not working, go and close out of this window. Go and select your mail account once again and this time press delete account. Now select delete. And once your account's been deleted, you can press add account. You can then select choose from a list and go and select your email provider. You can then go through the steps to add your email account to your iPhone. Once your account's been added, you can try opening up Mail and checking if that solves the issue. Now, if it's still not working, the final solution is to open up your settings, scroll down and select General, scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone, press Reset, and then select Reset Network Settings. You'll need to enter the passcode to your iPhone. Once your network settings have been reset, you should now be able to receive mail on your iPhone.